Hey guys, I'm Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, a sneak peek of this month's featured wreath in our Wreath Making of the Month Club. Metallics are very popular this Christmas. So what does that mean? That means gold, copper, platinum, silver. When you start to mix these together in one project, that's very trendy this year. So I thought these would be perfect color combinations for this Deco mesh wreath. These work wreath forms are very sturdy. They can hold a lot of weight. They're great for adding signs to wreaths because they've got a very thick base. They're also on an elevated wreath form, so meaning when it in the center of the wreath, it pops out a little bit more than the outer ring, giving it a little bit of elevation. So that makes a thicker wreath when you do that, when it has that. And then we're going to pinch it right here in the center to pleat it. And we're going to add it to our wreath by untwisting a needle tie, laying it down inside, and then attaching it. Twisting it back about 4 times. All right, so let's attach the ornaments to the wreath. I am going to use my ice pick, or this is called an awl. What I've done is I pierced it all the way through. So I watch where I took it out, and then I poke that through. I'm going to put these on in a triangle fashion. I'm going to find a crossbar. So if I hold this just like this and open it up, you can see that crossbar right there going this way. So you can see where we have gone on either side of the crossbar right there. So we've got one right here going all the way across there, and then we just twist this, and then you can cut this off with your pliers. Before we move on, I just wanted to show you some options at this point. Before you added your ornaments, if you wanted to put a sign in the center of your wreath, you absolutely could. I would have done it right after adding all of the ribbon. But I also wanted to show you and draw your attention to, so I have found these at Hobby Lobby. They have things like this too that you could use to incorporate into your wreath if you wanted to even add more. But I thought this would be really pretty pick to add into this wreath too. If you'd like to learn more on how to make this wreath step by step, make sure to join us in our Wreath Making of the Month Club.